window to look at puppies, but it's not like a pound. It's like
No, it's called Petland. It's like where they have different breeds of dogs, like Dalmatians and stuff. They don't have a Dalmatian.
Then we're going to go eat at Cheesecake Factory, which I'm very excited about because I'm starving.
He's kind of mean, just a little bit. I thought he was so cute in the pen. I think the other one would have been so much more calm. Hey, be sweet. Oh. Oh no. He bites. Ow, he bites hard. He's definitely a biter. Oh, he's a sassy one. Hey. Oh yeah, you. Oh. Hey. Hey, babies.
Oh, you a different dog?
You don't like this one?
No. He's mean. Look at him. Hey. Okay. I'm sorry.
Did you say sorry to a mini weenie dog?
I did, but I just don't want to bite my shoe. And if you don't want me touching him, that's all you gotta say.
This is a girl. It's a mini golden doodle. Oh, TK's heart was stolen. She was shaking. Is she shaking now? She was shaking a second ago. So cute.
It's just love. Run around. Run around, be free.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
If he doesn't want to move, he doesn't want to move. She doesn't want to move. Yeah.
You're so cute.
Don't poop on me though.
Hey, do you know how to take pictures? You know how to take pictures? Oh, so cute.
Hey.
You hear those monkeys? He's confused.
If the opportunity presented itself, I would definitely get this dog.
So like and subscribe. Stop watching TV and pay attention to what you're getting.
I was. Just the lighting was bad, so I had to look up here to get the reflection.
Oh yeah. Not like there's, you know, sports playing on the TV or anything.
Oh, I'm gonna drop. Oh, sorry if I was like in that and like ruin the picture.
No, you're good. So the waitress just thought I was taking a picture.
No, we're vloggers.
And we were like,
You thought.
we thought that you were in a picture, but you were on video. Ooh. Ooh.
You gotta get any closer? Jeez.
Ooh.
It's like the viewers are gonna eat it.
Ooh. Hey, they should get to enjoy what we're enjoying.
Don't have to eat then.
Look, take a bite. It's right on your face.
Watch it, guys. You can eat it. Look, you ate a piece.
Good? Okay, ready guys?
This is our first rookie mistake, guys. Give us a break.
I dip it. And you gotta enjoy it.
Yeah, you really enjoyed it. That whole potato in your mouth. Is it good?
Need some more?
What?
Want to Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, but I'm not really.
Fast food.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's good fast food. Imagine eating Chick-fil-A every single day of your life.
But you can't.
I could.
You couldn't. How do you eat Chick-fil-A every day of your life? Eat it on Sunday.
I was gonna say.
Yeah. That's what I
Buy it
thought.
on Saturday and then get extra for Sunday.
I mean,
That's obviously how you do
can we
it.
get some more ranch?
Yeah.
Sorry. I meant to tell her that before she like left.
Thanks.
I was zooming in on you while you were eating. Yes, Linda. Yes. Hey. I love you. Do you? Y'all heard that. They give us that much ranch, guys. Like, what kind of shit is that?
You know my favorite part?
What, me?
The bacon.
You're my favorite part?
Me?
Something like that. Thank you.
Something like that?
Nah, I was kidding.
I always do the weird funny stuff when she walks up and I'm like in the middle of it. Wait, eat a chive.
Chive? There's like 7 on
Eat it for
here.
the vlog.
I'll eat it for the vlog.
Ready?
Oh, one thing to know about her, she's a really picky eater. When I say really picky, I mean really picky. And one of her least favorite foods in life is cheese. So, explain that. How can you eat cheese fries but not cheese?
I'm working on it. It's an issue that I have. I understand. I have problems. I just gotta get past them.
Don't say you have problems. You don't have problems. You have
Cheese.
with cheese, yeah.
We got
You don't
issues.
have problems in general, guys. You just got a problem with this, or not this, but like cheese, like that. But I mean,
I'm working on it. I can eat grilled cheese now.
really? Can't you mind?
What?
I tried to make you grilled cheese the other day. You're like, ew, no.
And then I can eat stuff like this. I cannot eat macaroni and cheese. I don't think that's ever going to happen in my life. I don't think I want to.
Well, you totally just dissed my question, but I feel like it's okay.
Sorry. I feel like I would hate macaroni and cheese. I feel like it'd be gross.
But you never tried it?
No, but I feel like I would absolutely hate it. I feel like it's probably
You can't hate something until you don't try it. Until you try it, I mean.
I feel like. And I think that it would probably be one of the worst things in the world. That's how I feel about it.
So, another thing to know about Sabra, or Sabs, sorry, is that she's obsessed with claw machines. And if there's a ball in it, she's gonna win.
Oh yeah.
Let's just go ahead and get this going. It's definitely a teddy bear, but
Yeah, but like the
I feel like it's okay.
So we're trying with that.
Oh, yep. Ooh, just grab that Joker's head, huh? You just need another $1. Yep, we're getting money. BRB, folks. Round 2.
Should I take it up on the back side?
Yeah,
and
that's
pull
what I was
it
trying to tell you. You should get more angle. Come on, let it slow down. You look good on my way. Nah, you should have grabbed its head, yeah. I didn't know it would do that, sorry. I think that was our last $1. Was it? Oh, somebody's out of money. Oh my god, she's pulling out quarters. Are you kidding me? That's how they get you, babe.
It works funny, so I thought I had a $5 bill in my pen.
You know, it's pretty cool though. This guy has a blue beard. I don't want to point the camera at him, but just know, guys.
Please, let me have him. It's my birthday.
Well,
He's too heavy.
yeah.
And he's on
And he's tucked in too. So, well, now you're officially out of money, and I don't have any bills on me. So how do you feel?
I'm gonna get it later. Alright guys. Look at this amazingness. So this is my filet mignon, 8 ounce. And I got onion rings. They look so good. I'm glad I didn't just get fries like usual. And then mashed potatoes with gravy. And then, babe, what is this?
Steak.
Steak and what's
Bang
this?
bang shrimp, I think. Something
Bang
like that.
bang?
Actually, I can tell you in 2 seconds.
And he got mashed potatoes, but does not have.
That is
gravy
called
on it.
boom boom shrimp, not bang bang. Sorry, bang bang is bonefish.
It looks good.
French fries, mashed potatoes.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, we're about to dig in.
This girl.
It's my birthday.
You right.
Oh, is this fudge? Looks so good. I'm so excited. I'm a sucker for some fudge
Guys.
and a brownie.
Is it good? Yuck. Look at that.
Ready?
It does look good. So how is it? 1 to 10. Well, you already know you're gonna say like 20, yeah. I haven't even took a bite yet, guys. Yeah? It's just like diabetes, guys. Just like it.
My favorite is ice cream and then chocolate.
It's what? What's your favorite? Dr. Pepper?
Guys, he's eating some. Look, it wasn't just me. He decided to participate with me. So I know we just had this, but I just want to let you guys know that Chick-fil-A is literally the best thing ever. Alright, that was my announcement. Alright, well we just got home. It was a fun day. Great birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. It is 11:48. Still rocking it. Alright. Well, say bye, babe.
Bye.
Bye.